Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, I'll be giving you what will happen this week on Skeem Saam. Celia Kunutu files a divorce for Marongwa, and now she's getting married. Mahlatsi is worried, and he wants Alfred to fight for his marriage. And Celia wants full custody of Mahlatsi and Bushang. Lehasa Maphosa wants Masedla to testify against Fadere and demand a transfer. Alfred Marongwa went to Taft Hospital to confront Obed Kgomo, but Melita refuses him to see Obed. While they were arguing about that, Mr. Kgomo walked in with Zelani, while Alfred was giving Melita a piece of life. And Alfred was furious. He told Obed Kgomo to cut any ties or anything he had against his wife. But instead, he got the news he wasn't expecting, the reason behind why Celia left Taft. Apparently, Celia was caught trying to kill Alpheus. Finally, father was arrested. Alfred Marongwa is still convinced that Mr. Kgomo had more motives to Celia. And their talk ended up in a serious punch. Tuesday, 10 June. A familiar face returned to Taft after a lengthy disappearance. Mr. Kgomo's chaotic personal life once again disrupted his professional duties. Wednesday, 11 June. The guest at Marongwa's house is a ticking time bomb. Lehaso's grapple with settling into a new position. Thursday, 12 June. The Marongwa house is turned into an emergency operating room. Salamina gets the shock of her life when she stepped into the Marongwa's house. Friday, 13 June. Word spread quickly about the return of Taft's problem child. Lehasa is conflicted when he has to discipline a member of his team in a gangster fashion. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next one.